Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We're just gonna give you a quick little update as we are doing our t-shirt giveaway tomorrow night. The time for that announcement will be 8 p.m. Manila time. So that would be early in the morning Eastern Standard Time. But if you check the time zones wherever you are, and we're just going to give away as we have promised once we reach 100 subscribers on YouTube. We were going to give away a few t-shirts.
Yeah, that's what we're wearing right now.
You're right, and we just got them in here today. It took a while for us to get the order.
1 week.
Yeah, just to get the order in, and another week with the printer. We have them right now in a yellow and blue, and what else? We have black, and white,
pink.
That's like a dark pink, really dark pink,
And then apple green.
Apple green is almost like a lime green.
Because we're wearing the other colors also soon.
Right. We call it the Swedish setup.
Yeah.
Swedish flag,
Blue and
yellow.
yellow.
So anyway, so the drawing will be 8 p.m. tomorrow night, and we're also coming out with another video. We went to Morong a couple of days ago. We did some walk around, and we have some material from there. We're trying to put it together so we can get it out for you. And a few other things are coming up. We are going to go and visit here very soon Mount Pinatubo, and do a walk up to the crater and the lake up there. It looks very interesting. It's going to be interesting to go there.
Yeah.
I had a little bit of gout in my foot, and I'm waiting for that to get over with so I can start hiking up there. It's about a 3-4 kilometer hike, and I need to be at least able to keep up with everybody else. So we're gonna go there, and stay tuned for our next video release. And don't forget, at 8 p.m. February 3rd, 8 p.m. Manila time, we will announce the winners for the t-shirt giveaway that we're giving out. God bless, and thank you for watching.
Bye.